How to install FrontPage extensions in Website Panel. This tutorial assumes you are already logged in to Website Panel. Now let's learn how to install and uninstall FrontPage extensions. Click on the plan you want to add extensions to. Click Websites. Select the website you wish to add or delete extensions from. Click FrontPage. If the FrontPage server extensions are installed, you can enable or disable them, then click Update. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install and uninstall FrontPage extensions in Website Panel.